Good morning. This is Arulprabhu, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, AI&DS, Kaiser College of Arts and Science for Women. The subject which we are going to deal today is web designing. The basic thing in the subject is how we are designing the entire web page. So that is what we are going to see in this subject. What are all the tools we are going to use? How effective those should be. Every details we will be discussing in this topic. So first two units we cover HTML basics and page structure. So that is HTML, hypertext markup language. You should have gone through this term where the HTML basics shows what are all the tags that needs to be taken care and how a page should be, what the structure of the page should be. Everything is built in this. Next, formatting text and creating lists. How we have to format the text, the size of the text, the color of the text, the style of the text, everything comes under that. And creating the list, how the list, linked list, or whatever it may be, one by one. For creating one by one thing, we are using the list. Hyperlinks, tables, and frames, with which we will be dealing with the links to the next page or the previous page or the last page, likewise. Tables, various contents, the frames which we are making use of. Working with images and multimedia. So any web page will be attractive and it will be communicative in two way only if there are very good images and multimedia, audio, video, visual effects. Next, interactive forms and web tools. We'll be discussing it. What are all the various tools used for interactions? Coming to the basic HTML. So, what is HTML? It's a language used for designing the web pages. Hypertext markup language is its full form. So, the language used to build websites. The tag basics are HTML, head, body, which are included within the symbols. The HTML used for initiating a HTML web page, and when we complete the code, we will be completing it with the tag HTML. The head includes the heading of the page. The body shows the various contents of a page. The page structure, every page needs a head for data and a body for content. Well, we can use various comments for any particular data or content by using the tag exclamatory mark, which is used for displaying the text. It hides the various notes in our coding. While we are in the coding phase, we can see the details, but when you are running it, we will be hiding the data. Then formatting text and paragraphs. So how a paragraph should be? What should be the tab size of the initial word? So we'll be using the P tag for blocks and B or for new line. That simply represents break of a line. Headings. It's used for organizing topics using tags H1, the bigger size, and H6, the smaller size. Various sizes from H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. Emphasis, it makes text bold or italic to stand out, to differentiate from other texts. Then the horizontal tools, it uses H or tag, okay, which is used to draw the divider lines among the across the pages. It's coming to fonts and alignments. The fonts, they change how big or small the text it should be. Font face, it chooses the different text styles like Arial, Times New Roman, various things. Font colors, it uses the names or codes to paint your text to differentiate. Alignment, it moves your text to the left, right, center of the page. Left alignment, right alignment, justification, center alignment, just those things. Links, tables, and frames. Hyperlinks. Hyperlinks are used for creating the links from one page to another page, or from one page to many page, or last page to first page, whatever it may be. We'll be selecting the text, we will be right clicking it, make a hyperlink. We will be doing. So, what are all the tags we will be using? We'll be using a tag. Then lists. It creates ordered list or unordered list, maybe a numbers or bulleted lists, everything. For example, if you want to list out the number of students in a classroom, we will be displaying the names of the students with bullets or numbers. In tables, it uses rows and columns to display the data and the relationship among the data clearly. Frames, it displays more than one web page on a single screen, various frames. Images and multimedia. Efficient images, it uses the right file sizes so that the web page it loads very faster. Then image maps turns different parts of one picture into different clickable links, which enables you to move to the other contents. GIF animations, it simply makes an images, it looks make an images movie. It's adds simple moving images to grab the attention, and also it will be attractive. Then multimedia, embed the audio tracks and video players directly into the page so that you can be using the multimedia contents effectively. Data collection with HTML forms, the textbooks and passwords. It is used for the safety mechanism where areas are for users to type names and hidden secrets. Then lists and combo boxes are used to just like drop down menus to select the options easily. What are all the available options we can see, and we can choose the right one among the available options. Then the text areas, large boxes for users to type long comments or feedbacks. Then the frame page tools, special software tools that will be helping we to build the web pages faster. So the various tools used for building the web pages that too effectively. That's the thing. Coming to the final part, HTML is the foundation language for all web development. It's a basic thing, basic language for complete web page development. Clear structure and clean formatting improve users' experiences. Then multimedia on forms turn static pages into interactive apps. So these are all the basic things in the unit 1 and 2 of web designing. We'll be getting into the other topics shortly. Thank you.